Have you heard about Microsoft Copilot and its various subscription options? The world of software is constantly evolving, and Microsoft Copilot is no exception. With its unique AI capabilities, it promises to revolutionize the way we work. But what does it cost to access these advanced features? Microsoft Copilot offers a range of subscription options designed to cater to both individuals and businesses. The base plans include Microsoft 365 E5, E3, A3, A5, Business Premium, and Business Standard, as well as Office 365 E3 and E5. For those seeking advanced features, the Microsoft Copilot Pro plan was introduced in January of 2024. Priced at $20 per month, this plan offers priority model access and Copilot integration with Microsoft apps such as Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. However, to use Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps, an additional platform subscription is required. This costs an extra $20 per month per user for Copilot Pro, on top of the monthly or annual fee of a Microsoft 365 family or personal subscription. The total Copilot cost for individuals can range from $26.99 to $29.99 per month. For organizations, there's the Copilot for Microsoft 365 plan. Initially introduced in November of 2023 with a 300-seat minimum purchase at $30 per month per user, Microsoft removed this requirement in January 2024. This plan is now available for Office 365 E3 and E5 customers and can be purchased through Microsoft's cloud solution providers. Businesses can opt for a basic Copilot-enabled Microsoft 365 subscription, which includes the Business Standard or Business Premium plans. The total cost for a 300-person company would be $12,750 per month. In addition to these plans, Microsoft offers specialized Copilot solutions, such as Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service. These are priced at $50 per user per month as add-ons and provide tools for sales and contact center teams, respectively. GitHub Copilot, offered under Copilot Individual and Copilot Business licenses, provides personal users with advanced tools and audit logs for $10 per month or $100 per year. The business version is priced at $19 per month per user. However, it's important to note that Microsoft Copilot subscriptions do not automatically include other paid Copilot branded and AI-related services, such as Teams Premium, which remains a separate $10 per user per month subscription. While the cost of Copilot may seem significant, the enhanced efficiency, productivity, and creativity it offers could justify the investment for users seeking access to cutting-edge generative AI tools. To summarize, Microsoft Copilot offers a variety of subscription options, each tailored to suit the needs of individual users and businesses. Whether you're a professional seeking advanced features or a business looking to leverage AI for increased productivity, Microsoft Copilot has a plan for you. Remember, the cost of these plans can vary, and it's crucial to choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and engaging content. Additionally, connect with me on LinkedIn at Raghavendran Padmanabhan. Looking forward to connecting with you on both platforms.